How to add close friends on Instagram on Android. This tutorial shows you how to set up your close friends list to share stories with a select group. First, open Instagram on your Android device. Tap on your profile at the bottom right. From there, tap on the three lines, which goes directly to settings. At this point, scroll down and tap on Close Friends. From there, a list of your followers will appear. After that, search for or scroll to find the people you want to add to your close friends list. In the next step, tap on each person you want to add. A green star will appear next to their name when selected. From there, tap on Finished once you are done selecting everyone you want to include. Once done, go back to your home screen and post your story. From here, while posting, tap on Close Friends to choose that option instead of posting to everyone. At this stage, tap on Share to post your story exclusively to your close friends list. After this, anyone on the list will see a green ring around your story, and the green Close Friends badge will appear in the top corner. Keep in mind, adding or removing someone from your close friends list does not notify them directly, so you can manage the list privately at any time. And that's it. If this guide helped you add close friends on Instagram, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.